Holding on to... Isibuyat, idali ang background. Fairy tale. I'm not the one who sits off the sea. Leader of the tale, represent Hollywood. This is a small town. I was a dreamer before you had to let me down. Now it's too late for you and your white horse. Come around. Maybe I was trying. Ano siya stop signs ko. Tapos, si Becky. Wala, si Becky kumira. Diba maklaro, Bob? Hindi maklaro. Ito na lang. Heart Zero. Para niya siya kay Genesis Valencia. My heart is exclusively for Mr. Genesis Valencia. Claro. I love you, Daddy James. Meaningful na ko kay Miss I Feel Disease. Hindi ako lang ito. I Feel Disease. Nakainom ko fit and right.
Nakaon ka fit and right?
Nakainom ko fit and right. Hello! Namit ko lang yung Jamaica. Ano nung?
Yung bar?
Hindi.
Jamaica?
Lime na drink. Oil and lime namin. Tapos may nasty.
Leslie?
No,
Hindi naman yung
oo. Gin, haloon mong London gin. Tapos Jamaica. Atong island lime. Tapos may nasty din. Namit ba? Sa bar namit nun.
So, ganyan lang na bar?
Namit on the bar, promise.
So, ganyan lang na bar?
Hindi mag-ulang na. Mama Angelica, LJ. Medyo tugay na pero wala pa na ba ito niya? Sa Miglet, ano saan? Pag ang ano pa yun. Let's see again. Try to reach out to you, put your hand. Reach as far as you can. Under me, I'll do it for you and your wife for reach out to you, put your hand. Wala man. 10 minutes ang maximum dapat. Be? Ano na, diamond tail?
Oo, tapos ay cover sa table.
Kaya sa tong video, tagali Bob, dugay-dugay. Abi, dapat 10 minutes ang maximum. Di siya man sa YouTube.
Hindi ka pa video mo. Nasa ko ang... Yeah, ano?
Ang phone ko. Izelja boy. Global ni si Gretchen. Bala tayo. Kung ikaw yung taong laging pinagpapala at pinagpapala pa ng pinagpapala, construction worker jud ka. Hindi napapala ka man mo. Wala siya yung payagan siyang parents na Virgin Abia. Wala siya ginapayagan mag-gabi Virgin Abia. Ay, payagan ko magawa akong gabi eh.
Gabi.
Ay? I want someone. Tama man ang ginsan the princess, bala sa ako no mula. It's better for a girl to sleep 100 years and be kissed once by the right prince, then to stay awake for a long time, and be kissed many times by the wrong frog. Haha. Tama man, di ba?
Yep. Ito ko siyang best friend kay Bert.
Ako mismo. Ikaw din, miss ko. Igat.
Uy. Come back to me.
Baby, you're good in math. I'm going to ask you a question. Okay, Mom. If your daddy gives you 3 apples and I will give you 4 apples, what's your answer? Thank you.
Loon.
Sometimes you have to stop loving the most important person in your life. Not because the spark is gone, but because that person is unintentionally making you feel worthless. Ouch. Eh, wag lang yan. Say, anang, say, mo, look. Minsan na po na.
Marin na kalbog, oh.
Dili ka mo, mag... Ana!
Ako sa kulawin mo na.
Ano to, man? Lugong. Kamusta love life? Eto, parang ikaw. Ang pangit. Holding on the days. Miss ko na si Bobby Jeb ko. Labot. Gani man. Laka mo nabi ka, ginigoyot
Gani.
Ang ako nga, baby ba?
Baby bang?
Si baby pa ko mo.
Gani, baby ko ka naman si bang?
Yun. Baby. When I hold you for the last time, it's the last time tearing up my heart when I'm with you. But when we are apart, I feel it true. And no matter what I do, I feel the pain. Whether without you. Tapos part na pa tayo yung antique lobat.
Oo, apit na. Ang mali na,